up, dudes? Just got this generator from Lowe's. They shipped it to me. So, after about a week long of research, I found that this one would probably suit my needs. 2,500 watts, and it's a couple of videos on YouTube. It shows it can actually run most air conditioners. The dude on YouTube had like a 15,000 BTU, and we only have a 13.5, so as long as we're not running something else, should be fine. So it's not the quietest. Like for instance, Harbor Freight's Predator is probably a little quieter, but I really wanted that extra power to run the air conditioner if I really was in a pinch. Like you see there, 2,200 running watts. So I think that air conditioner probably pulls 2,000 right at first. And probably pulls a little more than that, but this should be able to do the job. I'll let you know if it does not. I don't see any problems with this guy. So my other choice would be to jump up to like a 3,500 watt from either Westinghouse or the Predator from Harbor Freight. And then you're looking at 100 pounds. Then you're looking at kind of a pain in the butt to walk it out the 30 feet. You know what I mean? For the cord, or even, I probably think they're usually 20 probably. But just pop the straps off of it and just kind of show you what's in the box here. Looks like some destructions. More destructions. So as far as I know, you just got to add the oil. It should come with it. And throw some gas in it. And it should be golden. I think this first oil change, I'll have to read the instructions, but I think the first oil change is pretty quick. I think it's, I don't know, I'm just guessing, but I think it's only like 20 hours, something like that. But I'll have to read and find out. Spark plug, socket, screwdriver, because nobody's got those. Just kidding. Let's see what else we got up in here. A little funnel. Kind of smells like a chainsaw or something, like gas a little bit, or oil. It's got a weird smell. From China. Just kidding. I don't know where it's from. It says it's 48 pounds. I'm sure it's a little over 50 with some gas in this beast. It's pretty good looking though. Where'd the top go? Oh. So I think I just pull these screws out, pop this open, put some oil in it, put some gas in it, and bam! Anyways, just a quick first look of this igen 2,500 from Westinghouse. Got it from Lowe's. I think it was like close to 500 bucks, something like that. Peace. All right, this is gonna be the first start of the Westinghouse igen 2,500. Just put the oil in it. Just put some gas in it. So Let's see, you can come over here. We'll turn it to choke. And we'll pull it over a couple times. Alright, you can back up a little bit. Just want to get some gas in it. And we'll see if it'll start on the first pull. You think it will? Yes, maybe?
Yeah.
Let's see. Alright.
Sounds like a four-wheeler.
Pretty quiet. That's on eco mode. Wow.
Thing's a lot quieter than I thought.
First pole.